Students, let us learn today a topic called balanced force and unbalanced force. Right, so here is the balanced force and unbalanced force. So we're going to talk about the distinguish between balanced force and unbalanced force. To start with, let us understand what is balanced force. When the two forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction acting on the same body, we get the net force acting on the body is equal to zero. For example, check it out. We have an example here. You can see here the tug of war happening. Here is three people on this team, three people in this team. Now you can see the force applied by this team is 300 newton and the force applied by this team is also 300 newton. Since the force is equal and opposite in direction, so here the rope movement will not take place. The rope is not going to move at all, means that balance force, the object is not moving. We talk about the unbalanced force, students. When two forces are unequal in magnitude but opposite in direction acting on the same body, we get the net forces acting on the body is unequal, or we can say non-zero. Check it out here again. We have the tug of war happening. In this, you can see that 400 Newton force is applied on this side, that is left hand side, and the 400 Newton and 300 Newton force is applied on the right hand side. You can see the force which is there on one side, that is on the left hand side, is more compared to the right hand side. In this case, the rope is definitely going to move on the side where the more force is applied, that is 400 Newton. So here the rope is moving. So unbalanced force, the object moves. We talk about the second topic here is balanced force do not change the state of rest or of uniform motion, means the object will remain at rest if it is at rest. If it is moving, it will not change state. So here the object do not change state in the balanced force. When we talking about the unbalanced force here, since the forces are not balanced, the object do change state of rest or of uniform motion. So whichever state it is going to be, it is going to change that state because the forces are unbalanced. Now let's discuss example once again. You can see the example here in the tug of war. When the forces acting on both the sides are equal, they are called as balanced forces and the object is not moving. When we talking about in this here unbalanced force in the game of tug of war, when the forces are acting on both the sides are unequal, this is called as unbalanced force and the object is definitely, that is the object is the rope, is definitely going to move on one side where the force is acting is greater. Thank you very much. We'll meet again for the next concept. Thank you.